tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to use some of the lesser used tools of Illustrator that you might need to use some time along the line. So the first tool I'm going to show you guys is the line tool. It's similar to the pen tool, except that it only creates one line. You can't create multiple connecting lines. So what you do is you just click and drag, and you just let go, and there's your line. It's a little more simpler than the pen tool. You know, you can change colors, stroke again to 4, whatever, you know. Then that's how you use the line tool. Next tool I'm going to show you is the rotation tool, which is this one right here. You can click on it and press R. Use it to rotate objects. So I'll make a little rectangle, and you can. It's pretty much the same thing as. I mean, you can just use the selection tool, because if you hover around the edges, there's this little like double arrow there. If you click and hold down, you can rotate it. But let's say for some reason you don't want to do that, or it's easier just to do this. Go to the rotate tool, and you can rotate around the center, and just click and drag, and it'll rotate it to however you want. Or you can change the center, so like here, and then it'll rotate it around that different axes. So that's one reason why you'd want to use the rotate tool over just the select tool. The next tool that I want to show you, it's mainly just for viewing. It's these 3 tools. This is the artboard tool. Now, it just let's say you realize that you didn't make your page big enough and you want to change it now. You just click on the artboard tool, which is this little square with the little lines, and you can drag it out so that you can make your artboard bigger and you won't run out of space. When you're done with the tool, you can just click out of it. Whatever. Next tool is the hand tool. Hand tool is again just another viewing tool. It doesn't. You can click and drag. It doesn't actually move any of your objects, but it moves like what you're seeing. So you click and drag, and you're moving what you can actually see on the page. So, you know, move around to what you want to edit. It's pretty much that. Then there's the zoom tool, which you can just click to where you want to zoom. So let's say you want to zoom around this square, you can click on the square and it'll zoom in. Or you can like zoom around a certain. You can click and drag, and then it'll zoom around that box. So then I zoomed into that box even though there's nothing there. That's how you use the zoom tool. That's pretty much all the tools you're going to need to use. If there are any more tools that you have a question on, or you think you might need to learn about, just ask me and I will definitely let you know.